Good morning, second graders. For language arts today, the first thing you are going to do is log into BrainPop and watch the cause and effect video for review. We've learned about this many times. We're cycling through again. And then I want you to complete at least one out of the two IXLs, T1 and T2, and then read to self for 30 minutes. So if I log into T1, it says match the effect to its cause. Remember, something happens which causes another thing to happen. So Deb washes her car every week. If she washes her car every week, what do you think the effect is? What happens? It is very shiny. The bird has a broken wing. That's our cause. Well, if the bird has a broken wing, then what happens? It can't fly. Okay? And then the next IXL, T2, is similar, but it's opposite. You're going to find the cause that goes with the effect. So they grew into flowers. Luca watered the seeds. If that's the cause, Luca watered the seeds. So what happens? If you water the plants, they will grow into flowers. They woke up the baby. Cole and his friends were too loud. That's the cause. So since they were too loud, what happened? They woke up the baby. Okay. When you are finished with your IXLs and reading to self, if you still are interested in working on other things, you can complete your Sunday lesson. You can partner read, find someone in your house to read to. You can complete a Raz-Kids, and you can challenge yourself with V1, read and understand informational passages. Right? For V1, if I open it up here, it is a little bit of a longer passage, and then it's going to ask you a question. Who was Theodore Geisel? A made-up person or a famous writer? Well, you have to read it to figure out your answer, okay? This can also count as part of your read to self time, since this will include quite a bit of reading. You can practice reading to self and check your understanding on things. All right, good luck with your language arts today. Let me know if you have questions while you're working.